Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Toyota Corolla ignition. First, ensure you are using the correct key and insert it fully into the ignition cylinder. Sometimes, the steering wheel can lock, preventing the key from turning. Gently try wiggling the steering wheel left and right while applying slight pressure to turn the key. This often releases the steering lock mechanism, allowing the key to rotate freely. Several common issues can prevent your Toyota Corolla ignition from turning. A primary reason is a locked steering wheel, which is a safety feature. Additionally, your key might be worn or damaged, making it difficult for the tumblers inside the ignition cylinder to align correctly. Sometimes, even small amounts of dirt or debris can obstruct the mechanism, preventing the key from turning smoothly. If the ignition remains stuck, try some troubleshooting steps. While inserting the key, apply light, consistent pressure to one side as you attempt to turn it. If you have a spare key, try using that, as your primary key might be worn. A graphite-based lubricant, not WD-40, can also be sprayed into the ignition to help free up internal components. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it might be time to call a professional. If your key breaks off inside the ignition, or if you've tried all the troubleshooting steps without success, an automotive locksmith or dealership can help. They can diagnose more complex problems like a worn ignition cylinder or internal damage, ensuring your Corolla is safely back on the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.